What if I told you that there exists a cosmic library, a vast repository of every thought, action, and experience that has ever occurred in the universe, a place where the past, present, and future intertwine, revealing the intricate tapestry of existence itself? This is the essence of the Akashic Records, a concept that has captivated mystics, philosophers, and seekers of truth for centuries. But what lies beneath the surface of this enigmatic idea? In today's exploration, we will journey into the depths of the Akashic Records, uncovering the hidden truths that have been obscured by time and misunderstanding. We will delve into the historical roots of this ancient wisdom, tracing its origins back to lost civilizations and revered spiritual figures. We will unravel the philosophical significance of the records, revealing why this knowledge has often been deemed too powerful or dangerous for the masses. As we navigate through the core concepts of the Akashic Records, prepare to challenge your perceptions of reality. We will explore the profound implications of accessing this cosmic library and how it can transform your understanding of self and the universe. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of the Akashic Records? Join me as we embark on this mystical journey, where the boundaries of time and space dissolve and the hidden truths of existence await to be revealed. The concept of the Akashic Records is not a modern invention. It is steeped in the wisdom of ancient civilizations. The term Akasha originates from the Sanskrit word for ether or spirit, and it has been referenced in various spiritual traditions including Hinduism, Buddhism, and Theosophy. Ancient sages believed that the Akasha is a fundamental element of the universe, a cosmic substance that permeates all things, connecting every soul and event in a grand, interconnected web. In the early 20th century, the Theosophical Society, led by figures like Madame Blavatsky and Annie Besant, brought the concept of the Akashic Records into the Western esoteric tradition. They described it as a celestial archive, a dimension of consciousness where every soul's journey is recorded. This idea resonated with many, yet it also sparked skepticism and misunderstanding. The records were often dismissed as mere fantasy, a mystical notion without grounding in reality. But why has this profound knowledge been hidden or misunderstood? Throughout history, those in power have often sought to control spiritual knowledge, fearing its potential to awaken the masses. The Akashic Records, with their promise of personal empowerment and universal insight, posed a threat to established doctrines and societal norms. As a result, access to this wisdom was relegated to the shadows, whispered about in secret circles, and cloaked in mystery. Philosophically, the Akashic Records challenge our understanding of time and individuality. They suggest that our lives are not isolated events but part of a greater narrative, a collective experience that transcends the physical realm. This perspective invites us to reconsider our place in the universe, urging us to recognize the interconnectedness of all beings and the impact of our actions on the cosmic tapestry. As we delve deeper into the essence of the Akashic Records, we will uncover the layers of meaning that have been woven into this ancient wisdom. Prepare to explore the profound implications of accessing this cosmic library and how it can illuminate your path towards self-discovery and spiritual awakening. To truly grasp the essence of the Akashic Records, we must first understand what they represent. Imagine a vast ethereal library where every book contains the story of a soul, its trials, triumphs, and lessons learned throughout countless lifetimes. This library is not bound by the constraints of time. It exists outside of our linear understanding, encompassing all that has ever been and all that will ever be. At its core, the Akashic Records are a vibrational imprint of every thought, emotion, and action that has ever occurred. Each soul has its own unique record, a personal narrative that reflects its journey through the cosmos. This is not merely a collection of facts. It is a living, breathing entity that evolves as we do. The records are said to be accessible through heightened states of consciousness, allowing individuals to tap into this reservoir of wisdom and insight. One of the most profound aspects of the Akashic Records is the concept of interconnectedness. Picture a grand tapestry, each thread representing a life, a choice, a moment in time. When one thread is pulled, it affects the entire fabric. This metaphor illustrates how our actions resonate beyond our immediate experience, influencing the collective consciousness. The records serve as a reminder that we are not isolated beings. We are part of a greater whole, intricately woven into the universe's design. As we explore the records, we encounter key concepts such as karma, soul contracts, and the idea of reincarnation. Karma, often misunderstood as mere punishment or reward, is more accurately viewed as a natural law of cause and effect. Every action we take creates ripples in the fabric of existence, shaping our future experiences. The Akashic Records provide insight into these karmic patterns, allowing us to understand the lessons we are meant to learn and the growth we are meant to achieve. Soul contracts, on the other hand, are agreements made before incarnating into this life. These contracts outline the experiences and challenges we choose to face, guiding our journey toward spiritual evolution. The records can reveal these contracts, offering clarity on our purpose and the relationships we have with others. But how do we access this vast reservoir of knowledge? This question leads us deeper into the mysteries of the Akashic Records, inviting us to explore the techniques and practices that can open the door to this cosmic library. As we continue, we will uncover the methods that allow seekers to connect with their own records and the transformative insights that await within. As we delve deeper into the Akashic Records, we encounter a realm rich with paradoxes and profound insights. One of the most intriguing aspects is the idea that while the records contain the entirety of our experiences, they are not static. They are dynamic, reflecting our growth and evolution as we navigate through life. This fluidity raises questions about free will and destiny. Are we merely puppets of fate, or do we have the power to rewrite our narratives? Many believe that accessing the Akashic Records can illuminate these questions, providing clarity on our life's purpose and the choices we make. However, misconceptions abound. Some view the records as a tool for fortune-telling or predicting the future, but this is a misunderstanding of their true nature. The records do not dictate our paths. Rather, they offer insights into the potential outcomes based on our current trajectory. They reveal the lessons we are meant to learn, but it is ultimately up to us to choose how we respond to those lessons. Another common myth is that only a select few can access the Akashic Records. In truth, every individual has the innate ability to tap into this cosmic library. It requires intention, practice, and a willingness to expand one's consciousness. Many spiritual traditions offer techniques for accessing the records such as meditation, visualization, and breathwork. These practices help quiet the mind and elevate the spirit, creating a space where the wisdom of the records can be revealed. For instance, one powerful method involves entering a meditative state and visualizing a grand library filled with books. As you walk through the aisles, you may feel drawn to a specific book that resonates with your current life situation. Opening this book can provide insights into your past experiences, current challenges, and future possibilities. This process is not just about seeking answers, it is about fostering a deeper connection with your higher self and the universal consciousness. Moreover, the Akashic Records hold not only personal insights, but also collective wisdom. They contain the stories of humanity, the lessons learned from our shared experiences, and the potential paths we can take as a species. By accessing the records, we can gain a broader perspective on societal issues, historical events, and the interconnectedness of all beings. This understanding can empower us to make choices that contribute to the greater good, fostering compassion and unity in a world often divided. As we continue to explore the Akashic Records, we will uncover practical techniques for accessing this profound wisdom and the transformative insights that await those who dare to seek. The journey into the records is not just about personal enlightenment. It is an invitation to participate in the unfolding story of humanity and the universe itself. Practical application. Now that we have explored the depths of the Akashic Records and their profound implications, it's time to turn our attention to practical applications. How can you, as a seeker of truth, access this cosmic library and integrate its wisdom into your daily life? Here are some techniques and exercises that can help you tap into the Akashic Records and transform your consciousness. 1. Meditation for accessing the records. One of the most effective ways to access the Akashic Records is through meditation. Begin by finding a quiet space where you can sit comfortably without distractions. Close your eyes and take several deep breaths, allowing your body to relax. Visualize a beautiful, radiant light surrounding you, creating a protective and sacred space. As you settle into this meditative state, imagine yourself walking through a vast library filled with books. Each book represents a different aspect of your life or the collective experience of humanity. Allow your intuition to guide you to a specific book that resonates with your current questions or challenges. Open the book and invite the wisdom within to reveal itself. Be open to receiving insights, images, or feelings that may arise during this process. 2. Journaling your insights. After your meditation, take time to journal about your experience. Write down any messages, symbols, or feelings that came to you while accessing the records. This practice not only helps solidify your insights, but also allows you to track your spiritual growth over time. Reflect on how these messages relate to your current life situation and what actions you might take based on this newfound understanding. 3. Setting intentions. Before attempting to access the Akashic Records, it's essential to set clear intentions. Ask yourself what you wish to learn or understand. This could be related to a specific challenge, a relationship, or your life's purpose. By articulating your intentions, you create a focused energy that can help guide your experience in the records. 4. Working with a guide. If you find it challenging to access the records on your own, consider working with a trained Akashic Records practitioner. These guides can help facilitate your journey, providing insights and clarity that may be difficult to access alone. They can also assist in interpreting the messages you receive, helping you understand their significance in your life. 5. Overcoming obstacles. As you embark on this journey, you may encounter obstacles such as self-doubt, fear, or distractions. It's important to remember that accessing the Akashic Records is a skill that takes practice. Be patient with yourself and approach the process with an open heart and mind. If you find your thoughts wandering during meditation, gently bring your focus back to your breath and the intention you set. 6. Integrating insights into daily life. The true power of the Akashic Records lies in their ability to transform your perspective and actions. As you gain insights, consider how you can apply this wisdom to your daily life, whether it's making more conscious choices, fostering deeper connections with others, or pursuing your passions. The knowledge from the records can guide you toward a more fulfilling existence. By incorporating these practices into your spiritual journey, you can unlock the hidden truths of the Akashic Records and allow their wisdom to illuminate your path. The journey is not just about personal enlightenment. It is about contributing to the collective consciousness and embracing the interconnectedness of all beings. As you explore the records, remember that you are part of a grand narrative, and your story is woven into the fabric of the universe. As we conclude our exploration of the Akashic Records, we find ourselves standing at the threshold of profound understanding. We have journeyed through the historical roots of this ancient wisdom, uncovered its philosophical significance, and learned practical techniques to access this cosmic library. The Akashic Records are not merely a mystical concept. They are a gateway to self-discovery, empowerment, and a deeper connection to the universe. In essence, the records remind us that we are not isolated beings navigating a chaotic world. Instead, we are part of a vast, interconnected tapestry, where every thought, action, and experience contributes to the collective consciousness. By accessing the Akashic Records, we can gain insights into our past, understand our present, and illuminate the potential paths that lie ahead. This knowledge empowers us to make conscious choices, fostering growth and transformation in our lives. As you reflect on the insights shared today, consider the questions that linger in your mind. What truths about yourself and your journey are waiting to be uncovered? How can the wisdom of the Akashic Records guide you in navigating the complexities of life? I invite you to embark on your own journey into the records, to explore the depths of your soul and the interconnectedness of all existence. Remember, the power to access this ancient wisdom lies within you. Embrace the practices we discussed, and allow the Akashic Records to illuminate your path. If you found this exploration enlightening, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into esoteric wisdom and practical spirituality. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. What revelations have you encountered on your journey? Together, let us continue to seek, learn, and grow in the light of ancient knowledge. Thank you for joining me on this mystical journey into the hidden truths of the Akashic Records. Until next time, may your path be illuminated with wisdom and understanding.